Please leave it the shoes here.
Excuse me, you want that next?
Bad luck because he have no son, no any child. So Kings was always unhappy. He was very sad. After some time, somebody told for the king, if you go Fatehpur Sikri, there is one holy man, maybe he blesses you. So kings came in this place, Delhi to here, by feet, without shoes, in 1569, and he meet this holy man. And this holy man blessed the king for a child. And then kings got a child, so he was very happy. And he gave him the first name of the son, Salim. Same name is the holy man. Second name is the Jahangir. And Jahangir's son is the Shahjahan. He was the Taj Mahal in Agra. So it is the same generation. Understand? And same time, kings built this all building memory of the son. He started this building in 1570 and completed in 1582. 12 years complete this whole part. And still, the descendant of the holy man family person are living here, alive. They are 210 feet. And this gate height 176 feet, around 54 meters. So this gate, that time used to the public. All sides all are female. And the male where you can find the line on the top. It's a from way underground tunnel from here to Agra Fort. Agra is a 40 kilometers far from here by road. But it is a short way and direct way 25 kilometers. Now this closed because it is 450 years old. So inside the gas, poison and the broken also. That's why Holy family closed here. What in that time, kings and queens, they used to speak emergency time. Take us from here to Agra. Come by this packets. Down from here, the underground way on the middle is a water well. All water is collected that well because people drink this water like a holy water. Pillar and pie both system. Understand? इसके हाथ में तो फ्रैक्चर है दो क्या प्रसिद्ध कुछ नहीं है ये सिर्फ पूरे यहाँ पे यहाँ पे पड़ गया है 48 का क्या design and made of one piece, just a single piece of the white marble. From here, you can see the outside, but outside you can't see clearly inside. Because that time, many Muslim women, they came to, they all have one colorful cloth on the face, they are calling Parda system, they are always covering the face. So it's like a Parda system. This is the main wish. People try to trade for the good man. Taj Mahal. And Taj Mahal built in 16th century This building built in 15th century. This building built by Akbar. In this wood, people make the piano. Same wood. This wood is very heavy, sinks into water from South Africa. So the sandstone is a local stone of this town. So mostly people, they work of the stones and they're giving the beautiful carving workmanship here. In Agra, you show the inlaid work. Here is the famous is the carving workmanship. The labor people, they make our own self and they are selling the beautiful things. So I like to show you the back side, the beautiful view of this building. Please go. First I show you the city wall. That wall he is giving the 3 sides and 4 sides he is giving the water lake. So in the summer time, all the western air always passing this way. So this building is the cool in summer time. But now monsoon is not coming very well, so water is dry. Now is a dry. Over there, that's a small town, 3 feet before of the jaldi. That's the elephant. Elephant buried 7 feet down. That's the of the king. Those time kings have one elephant and he loved very much the elephant. Zami means Friday, Masjid means mosque, Friday mosque. Still daily 5 times pray here, what men pray on the Friday. Then came the soul mosque of the faith from inside and the outside. Mecca from the side, direction of the west. There is a 3,500 the side of the clock is the 80 feet and there is a beautiful paintings in Tibet, but now it's 450 years old, so mostly painting is gone. And look is there this lamp. This lamp given by British people in 1900 for my Lord cousin as a gift. Same lamp he given from our Taj Mahal in the fort also. And that's the Imam stand, the priest stand. And I told you before, the kings have 3 wives in different religions, Hindu, Muslim and Christian. Hindu, Deen Ilahi. It means no Hindu, no Muslim, no Christian. As the Christian, the dome, church design. Dome is a sign of architecture because he followed all religion, he respected all religion. That's why in India, Akbar was a great Mughal king. And the fourth is Judaism Muslim culture. So in that time, king sit on the middle from here. He had the 9 minister, all minister was very wise, very intelligent advisor. Now is the bad luck. So lucky and unlucky both are shoes here. And like this, 50-50. Eh? The local people, they start. The black things all are beehives, honeybees. And the 3 sides they are writing of the Holy Quran. Same prophet giving in Taj Mahal, but Taj Mahal is the black writing.